Hi guys. Hi guys, that's true. This is a complete disaster. Alright, let me elaborate a bit. We have just received, or I have just received, the Pixel 6, also probably valid for 6 Pro, security update, okay? It is only 27 megabytes, 27.20 megabytes. This update fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of your device. Additional charges may apply and etc. Okay, I was very happy to see yet another update rolled out. Okay, and I was actually about to install it. Reverse 7 hours back, and luckily my mate Best is telling me, hey, I cannot switch off the Wi-Fi. The toggle doesn't work, also from the settings not accessible. I did reset my network, okay, doesn't really work. I did update it with the latest February update, and I even don't have a MAC address, okay. I did restart the phone, okay, now I have Wi-Fi. This also occurred to some other guys, and then I see this popping up on Android Police. Google Pixel 6 owners report Wi-Fi issues after installing the February 2022 patch. Another Pixel update, another bug. And then boom, one more time. I don't have Wi-Fi, and he's telling me, don't install this update.
Don't install this update.
Frustrating enough, I have to admit, he also opened a new topic in XDA, no Wi-Fi after February update, and you can just see guys, there is also voting. 2 people have this issue, okay? 22 people, 80% doesn't have the issue, alright? So if you still want to do the update, no, just please be warned, you may be one of those lucky guys to still have the Wi-Fi, alright? Or you might end up like my pal here. My advice would be guys, don't install this update, just wait for a few days. I really hope that Google are going to reissue the update. My pal is also writing, I know there is a topic for the February update, but I want to address Wi-Fi issue in a separate one, so we could easily maybe find a solution. I have tried so far to clean the network settings, no success at all. I rebooted the phone, Wi-Fi came back, but when the phone gets to sleep or screen lock, Wi-Fi will turn off and no way to turn it back. Then from the Google Pixel 6 Telegram group there was a suggestion to stop adaptive connectivity, so I stopped it, rebooted the phone, but at the same moment Wi-Fi was gone once again and you can't turn it on. Please reply here with some tips and tricks if you know how to fix this problem. I don't want to root or modify my phone, but if there is no other option I will do it. And then guys, you can just see there are some people replying on this thread. I'm going to put the link down below into my video description. Please, if you are affected, just go read through. This here is the article from Android Police. Google Pixel 6 owners report Wi-Fi issues after installing the February 2022 patch. Several Pixel 6 and 6 Pro owners apparently have taken to Reddit and to Twitter to complain about the Wi-Fi connectivity issues. This guy here, same. This update is terrible. I had no issues with my phone, but now I cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth disconnects automatically and my screen goes off randomly. Who know what are the issues? I'm yet to uncover. Phone in good working condition is now a mess. Can I roll back? And then again guys, after reboot, if I switch Wi-Fi on, the Bluetooth gets off. When Bluetooth is on, Wi-Fi goes off. This is a brand new Pixel 6 Pro phone. So guys, now you understand my message. So right now, Google Pixel 6 series was officially updated from a mess, from a chaos, to a complete, almost complete disaster. Because having one of the main smartphone functionality, namely the Wi-Fi, to not work properly, or the Bluetooth, is, I think, a complete disaster. Right now, I officially crown the Pixel 6 being a complete disaster, and I do really hope that Google will fix it. We know that in the non-supported countries, we're not gonna get like the 5G, the VoLTE, the Wi-Fi, and we don't want this. We only want this phone to operate normally, right? I also have problems with overheating, you can check my video here, but hey, right now, in this point of time, not only can I not recommend the Pixel 6, but if you have one, maybe it's a good opportunity for you to start thinking flipping it and just getting something else. I think maybe tomorrow there is another big brand announcing some new phones. Yeah, alright. So guys, if you get this update, don't update. If you still update, just be warned. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel guys. Please, you and your family stay safe and keep watching, right? Until we meet on one of my next episode. With that said, we'll stay over and bye.